The V11MINI SE 4K camera drone is incredibly lightweight at 235 grams, making it easy to transport and use without the need for FAA registration. Equipped with a high-performance camera, this drone captures stunning ultra-high-definition images and videos at 4,000 resolution and 20 frames per second. With a total flight time of 70 minutes from 2 batteries, the V11MINI SE allows for extended aerial exploration and capturing breathtaking views. Its impressive transmission range of 9,842 feet ensures stable and long-distance video streaming, perfect for capturing distant scenes. The drone's beginner-friendly features like one-key takeoff, landing, and auto-return make it an ideal choice for novices seeking a hassle-free flying experience. Safety is enhanced with multiple positioning methods, including GPS and optical flow, providing reliable stability during flights and safe landings.